Hi friends, we are going to teach you how to open Solidas. Just go to Start and open Solidas file. In Solidas, five modules are there. They are solid part, sheet metal part, weldments, assembly, and drawing. Whenever you are going to start learning a software, then first start from its sketching part. In that, start from drawing. In this page, uh, you will check the tip of the day, and you can check all the tips by pressing next, and you can check its tutorials also. We are going to start from drawing workbench. In drawing one workbench, you have to set the page. Just go to sheet 1, press right click, select sheet setup, select A4 sheet, untick show background because we don't want that figure. Press click on save as a default, then press OK. After that, press fit command. And the first option line is there. I'm going to show you how to use line command. Select line, press anywhere on the page like that. So again press at that, click on that point where you want to make the line. You can make line by pressing by giving the values in length and angle also. Just press anywhere on the page and give the length by keyboard. Just like I want to make a line of length 180, and I will write 180. After that press tab and press the angle, because for defining a line we must know two things. Either we know the line one point on the line on and its inclination, or we have to know 2 points on the line. In that case, we are using 1 point and the inclination of the line. Suppose that I am taking its angle 45 degree. Then I will write 45, again press enter, line will come. Press right click to come out from the command. If we can make, we can change the color of the line by using that command. Select whatever color you want. We change the style of the line, that is click whatever you want. We can change the thickness of the line also from that command. After that come to point. We can make, just click on the page where you want to make a point. You just select the point. You can change the color of the point, style of the point, and sorry, not style of the point. You can change the color of the point and thickness of the point. You can change its locations also by uh, giving the values of its x and y coordinates. Okay friends, in the next day I will going to teach you how to use curve option. One thing I want to say, if you have any doubt about the tools, you can use its help, or you can use its help also, because it is provided with the software. Just go to that option, that is just just click on that, and go to the command whatever which, if you have, suppose I want to learn circle command, or I want to learn split command, then I will go to split and I will click, or automatically split command will open, and it will guide you smoothly how to use split commands. And believe me, it is very good. You will get to know how to use that command. Thank you.